how to sign in or connect another device to Xfinity Now Wi-Fi Pass. So to do this, you're gonna have to go to your device settings. Let's say you want to connect it to your phone. So in your settings, go to your Wi-Fi connections, and in your available networks, just go ahead and find the Xfinity Wi-Fi. So from here, it's pretty much simple, since once you press on the Xfinity Wi-Fi, you're gonna have to open your web browser, but it should automatically redirect you to a sign in or sign up page for the Xfinity Wi-Fi. If not, you can try navigating to any website, and the network often redirects you to the sign in page. So on the Xfinity Now Wi-Fi sign in page, you can choose the option to sign in. You can enter the same email and phone number you used when purchasing the pass or something similar to that, but after that, you can complete any confirmation steps, and once signed in, your device should now be registered to the Now Wi-Fi Pass and connected to the internet via that hotspot network. But that's one thing you can try to connect another device to Xfinity Now Wi-Fi Pass. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.